Hello everyone, we are Group 1 from S53 and welcome to our exploration on the majestic Meranti trees and their incredible role to the ecosystem. Today we are delving deeper into the fascinating world of these towering giants, which are not just beautiful to behold, but also the essentials to the health of our planet.
So, let's join us as we uncover the intricate web of life that thrives around Meranti trees and discuss the urgent conservation effort needed to protect these vital organisms. But before that,
Hi, my name is Ahmad Roshada.
Salut, my name is Nada Hadina.
hello everyone, my name is Masha Farisa. Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Puteri Nur Elisha.
Hello, my name is Nur Syamni.
Deep within the tropical rainforest of the Southeast Asia stands one of Malaysia's most valuable and iconic tree, the Pokok Meranti. Scientifically known as the Shorea species, these towering giants are also a part of the Dipterocarpaceae family. In Malaysia, there is two common types, which is the Shorea leprosula, or also known as the light red Meranti, and also the Shorea curtisi, which is the dark red Meranti. These trees can grow incredibly tall, even up to 70 meters. The trunk is straight and cylindrical, often featuring large buttress root at the base. The bark is brownish gray, smooth or sometimes slightly fissured depending on the species. Meranti's leaves are leathery, with the color of dark green on top and lighter underneath. And don't forget, it is in an elliptical shape. The flower is small, with the color of yellowish white. It is often formed in cluster, and also it can eventually giving way to winged fruits that drift through the air. Meranti trees are native to the Southeast Asia, particularly thriving in the tropical rainforests of Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. They are usually common in the lowland rainforests of Peninsular Malaysia and Borneo, where they play a critical ecological role. But remember, while Meranti trees are prized for its high-quality timber, they are usually used for construction and furniture. The unsustainable logging activity have caused several risks. For example, the Shorea fatinogini is now endangered because of the habitat destruction.
So in this part, I would like to share about the importance of Meranti trees to the ecosystem. Meranti trees plays a significant role to their ecosystem and their habitats. One of the importance of planting Meranti trees is carbon sequestration. As we know, our Earth is facing global warming. Global warming is occurs due to the carbon dioxide and other air gases that collected to atmosphere and absorbing the sunlight and solar radiation. So that Meranti trees can absorb the carbon dioxide and store it to their biomass. So this will reduce the heat on the earth that causes by effect of greenhouse. Next is biodiversity supporting. A large canopy is a multi-layered habitat. It's supporting the different species at various of level in the forest. Meranti trees also have a continuation cycling that shedding leaves which enriches soil. This process will help the other plants to growth and maintaining the health of the forest. Overall, the Meranti trees integrate to the structural and function for the ecosystem, environment, and habitats. Thank you.
walking through a lush tropical rainforest where towering trees stretch up to the sky, one of these giants is Meranti tree, a tree known for its strength and beauty. But Despite its size, the Meranti are facing big challenges that threaten its very own survival. One of the most serious issues is deforestation. Rainforests where the Meranti live are being cut down to make room for cities, roads, and farms, destroying the tree's natural habitat. And on top of that, illegal logging is one huge problem because Meranti wood is very valuable. So when the people tend to cut the trees down faster than they can regrow, it will cause a huge damage to the rainforest, and often breaking the law to do so. Another threat is climate change, rising temperatures and unpredictable weather making it harder for Meranti to thrive. Long period of time without rain, known as drought, will weaken the trees and also will making them more likely to be attacked by pests and diseases. But don't worry, there's still hope. By practicing conservation efforts, we can still help save Meranti tree and ensures it to stand tall in our rainforest for generations to come.
The success of the Shorea species conservation in Malaysia has been a mixed outcome. There are several factors that contribute to the achievements of these conservation efforts. One of the success is the practice of sustainable forest management, SFM. Malaysia has implemented certification programs like the Malaysian Timber Certification Scheme, MTCS, by controlling logging and making sure that the forest areas are regenerated with native species, including Shorea. This technique have helped lessen the loss of Shorea species. Furthermore, Malaysia has also made an improvement on the research and ex situ conservation. Research on the propagation technique and ex situ conservation, such as the seed banks and nurseries, have advanced significantly thanks to the efforts of the Forest Research Institute Malaysia, FRIM. This have made it possible to grow a few rare and endangered Shorea species. To conclude these conservation efforts, conservation of Shorea species in Malaysia has had some successes, particularly in implementing sustainable logging practices and advancing research. However, these efforts are not yet enough to fully counteract the ongoing pressures from deforestation and illegal logging. Even if there has been some improvement, ongoing work and more widespread enforcement are needed to guarantee long-term success.
So, we go to the next part. Is how do we enhance the conservation activities of Meranti trees? First, protected areas. Do you know Meranti trees are now critically endangered tree species based on the International Union for Conservation of Nature at least. Therefore, government should expand network of protected areas where Meranti trees are most widespread at. This can help preserve biodiversity and protect the forest ecosystem that is crucial for Meranti trees. Number 2, never purchase products made from endangered tree species. As we all know, Meranti trees wood is versatile. It can be used for a variety of purposes such as furniture, conservation, and boat building. Therefore, avoiding ourselves from buying this product can help decrease the chance of Meranti trees going extinct. Last but not least, spread awareness. We can make posters or use social media such as Instagram or TikTok to spread awareness among people who is lack of information about Meranti trees and how important they are for biodiversity. As a result, people will appreciate and be more concerned about Meranti trees. In conclusion, Meranti tree is vital for both its ecological roles and economic value, but faces threats from logging and habitat loss. Protecting Meranti trees through sustainable practice and conservation efforts is essential to ensure its survival for future generations.